Today we are looking at addition of fractions. Addition of fractions. Now, when adding fractions together, it's important to note that when the denominators are not the same, it's not quite as straightforward as when the denominators are the same. So take for instance, we have two fractions in which we have the same denominators. You simply have to add up the numerators to get your answer. But when the denominators are not the same, you need to find a common ground. Now, let's see our question here. We have to work out 3/4 plus 2/5. So 3 over 4 plus 2 over 5, and we have to leave our answer as a fraction in its simplest form. Now, the first thing to do is to find a common denominator, a number that is common to both 4 and 5. Now, numbers common to both 4 and 5 are 20, 40, 60. So these are three numbers common to both 4 and 5. We can go on and on, but we just need one. Now, how do we know which one to pick? 20, 40, and 60 are numbers common to both 4 and 5 because they are all numbers that 4 and 5 are factors of. So now it is advisable you always pick the lowest one. So in this case, we are going to pick 20. So always pick the lowest one. Now, since we know that our common denominator is 20, we can go ahead and say 3 over 4 plus 2 over 5 and put our common denominator 20. Now, the way to solve this is you use your common denominator to divide the denominator of the first fraction. So 20 divided by 4 gives us 5. The answer you get, you now use it to multiply the numerator of the fraction.
Quick reminder, if you're finding this helpful, hit that subscribe button and share it with a friend. It really helps the channel grow. Now, back to the lesson.
So 20 divided by 4 is 5. That answer 5 multiplied by the numerator 3 gives us 15. So you write 15 here. Then you put your sign and then you go over to the second fraction. We do the same thing. So we use 20 to divide the denominator of the second fraction. So 20 divided by 5 gives us 4. We now use that 4 to multiply the numerator of the fraction. So 4 times 2 gives us 8. So you write your 8 here. So adding up the numbers at the top, 15 plus 8 gives us 23. So we have 23 over 20. Now remember, this is a fraction in improper form, so we have to leave our fraction in its simplest form. Turning it or changing it to a mixed form, 23 divided by 20. 20 can go in 23 once. Remainder 3 over 20. So this is our answer. So our answer to this question is one whole number, 3 all over 20. And the same applies to subtraction of fractions as well. So we just apply the same principle, the same method, but when you get to where the sign is, that's the only difference. So instead of plus, your sign is going to be minus, and then you work out the operation and get your answer. Thank you so much for your time. See you again. Bye-bye.
Thanks for learning with Vima Academy. To stay ahead in your studies and join our community of successful students, check out vimalearning.com. You can also find daily study hacks on our Instagram and TikTok at Vima Learning. Don't forget to like and subscribe to simplify your learning journey